Hey sunshines. So right now I'm filming from my iPhone. So I forgot my vlog camera. So I'm in Austin for the day and here with my brother and his girlfriend, and today we're gonna do hiking. We're gonna do hiking and we're gonna go visit Outdoor Voices. But right now I'm currently doing my devotionals, as they say. So I'm gonna read from my Bible. To get my day started, I read my Bible. So it really helps me get centered and know what God's word for me is that day, and know his word so I'm not confused, and get to know him better and how he's a good father and spiritually fill me. And then usually I write in this notebook. I call it my gratitude list slash Jesus list. So I write all the things that I'm grateful for and all the things that God's given me and just my gratitude of this life that I'm given. It helps me really focus on the positive things and not worry too much about the negative things and the problems that I do have in my life. And yeah. And then I have another book. I have this book we're reading for my book club. It's called Kingdom Woman. We're actually almost finished with the book, so I might have a vlog about this book and how the girls felt about it in the book club. And then I also have another notebook. It's kind of similar to this. It's where I write, like, not my complaints, but my worries and everything that's going on in my life. It's kind of like I'm writing to God about all the things that's going on, although he knows, but just to help me also get better as a writer and get more confident in my writing skills and the voice that I have. So we're headed out. This is my outfit. I got this LaCroix hat from when I went to, like, me and Contrita are matching. Woo, woo. I think it looks better on her.
Looks good on both of us.
It's just like I look like a softball player from like the 70s. But anyways, we're headed out. Katrina also put on her eyebrows. She did her eyebrows, so I feel I had to do that. And I now look more alive than before. What I'm wearing, this is Joy Lab, Girlfriend Collective, Adidas Champion. What are you wearing? And then LaCroix hat.
My grandma gives me, and I got from the thrift store, and Nike bands.
Yeah, so we're out here. Who looks better in this hat? Me or her? I think she does.
Comment down below.
So we made it.
Made it. We're at the entrance to the trail.
Oh yeah.
It's about to go down.
Hopefully no one murders us or anything crazy, because that exists. I think that's what my mom was like. You can't go hiking.
I know, she was just scared we'd be like on a mountain or something.
Yeah.
And like climbing for hours and hours and hours and get lost.
Oh yeah, that's a thing.
But just stay tuned. We might get murdered.
Yeah, we might.
We
but
might,
I hope
but
not.
we'll vlog it.
We're talking about this one guy, the one mountain climber that had to cut off his leg. And Katrina would not cut off your leg. Antonio, would you cut your leg off?
Cut my leg off.
I would cut my leg off. Okay, so we were trying to go down, right, to go see the water, but there is no water. It's just dried up. It looks like it would be a river, but you guys could see. I'm going to show you guys how it looks for real. The supposed river. This is the supposed river. Like, over there. Do you guys see that? It's like so white over here. And you hear all the animals. So guys, this is the river. But I want to show you the most important part of the river that we found. It's exciting. Water. There's water. There's dead fish on the water, but there's water. That is kind of gross. No, they're not all of them. Not all of them are. Yeah, these are sardines. Not all of them are dead. But we just went uphill. And I could tell you I'm out of breath. Wow. But it's a really good exercise. The first exercise of the week for me. Whoop, whoop. And I guess for them too. We're headed up to the rooftop of Whole Foods. So more hiking up the stairs. Our butts are gonna be looking good tomorrow. This is the future
It's a little earthy.
of food. Antonio ate some. What do you think?
Tastes like lettuce.
Like
Are you eating it too?
more earthy though, for sure. Maybe I don't know.
I don't know. Should I try it?
You want?
Will I die?
No.
I'm so weird. It's not bad. It's less watery. It is bitter at the end. Not gonna lie.
This is onions.
There's onions. This is all like holes in one day. We visit the dry lands, and it's all holes. The dry lands, the dried up water. And then we find the onions. Remember they ate the onions in holes? The sweet onions to survive. That was a good time. The garden. So, tour master, what do you have to say?
This is the garden. Like it's like almost like kind of like Japanese style. Pretty chill. They got benches. They got chairs.
Okay.
They got tables. They got a little playground for the kids.
Yeah, very
And
Japanese.
It's very open and very chill.
Made it to Outdoor Voices. It's like a little house. It's so cool. I didn't even expect it to be like this. But let's see what it's gonna be like. Guys, let's go inside. Hi. It's so hot. About to try on some clothes right now. Excited. Name of these shorts are, these are one of the shorts. I really like this leotard. Fits very good and you can't even see no nips, nothing. So I'm really excited about this one. Red pants. They fit so good. The tech sweat pants. Like they are better for sweating. That's what the girl told me. And this one's more like Pilates leotard. But I think I might get this one and then later would get it with these green shorts. It like matches so well. But I can definitely pair this with the leggings that I do have now. So yeah. Okay guys, so we just got out of Outdoor Voices. I think I like this store. It was really cool. Everyone's really welcoming, inviting. They also give out zines. And then I got a bag. This is for recyclable things. You can use it for shopping, whatever. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching this vlog. See you in the next video. Bye, sunshines.